Hey Pisces, welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys for tuning in and watching. I greatly appreciate it. So keep in mind these messages may or may not resonate. Take will only resonate with you. And some of the messages could have already happened, could be happening now, or could happen later on. Alright. What messages do you have for the sign of Pisces? Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, North Node. What messages do you have for the sign of Pisces? Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, North Node. What messages do you have for the sign of Pisces? Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, North Node. Okay, so a Puerto Rican woman may be significant. Stepmom may be significant. But someone don't want to play no games with you. Can be in isolation. And someone needs to tell the truth. This person can be in isolation. They can want to confess something. And someone want to know your new number. I'm trying to set you up to take your money. You're dealing with a Sagittarius Capricorn cups. But someone thought you was an easy target. Someone want to listen to Sex Me by R. Kelly. Or someone want to sex you. But your ancestors don't fuck with this karmic. At the bottom, an X cock blocking. You about to be power couple status with someone. What messages do you have for the sign of Pisces? Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, North Node. What messages do you have for the sign of Pisces? Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, North Node. What messages do you have for the sign of Pisces? Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, North Node. Female Capricorn Aquarius cups may be significant. Well, be cautious. Don't trust him or her. Now, he or she big mad. You can have your own business. Be dealing with a King of Pentacles. Or you can be in the King of Pentacles energy. You're dedicated to your skills, mastering yourself. Female Gemini Cancer cups may be significant. These people, a person did all of this to keep two people apart and still lost. Now, someone could be gifted a house. But don't drink it. This person put something in the drink. Could be using kids to keep you stuck. So you can be sparing people feelings. What messages do you have for the sign of Pisces? Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, North Node. What messages do you have for the sign of Pisces? Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, North Node. What messages do you have for the sign of Pisces? Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, North Node. Excuse me. Everything happens for a reason. Ross said, who wants to smoke? And someone wants you to accept less. Your desires are within reach. And there's a male that's mad for no reason. The illusions ended. And someone was loyal to the wrong people. Could have betrayed them. At the bottom could be dealing with a Queen of Wands in the reverse. What messages do you have for the sign of Pisces? Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, North Node. What messages do you have for the sign of Pisces? Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, North Node. What messages do you have for the sign of Pisces? Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, North Node. This person is for the streets. You could be making progress. Male Virgo. May be significant. A passed over loved one about to whoop some ass. The universe about to give you something. And this female losing everything for playing with you. And someone been doing rituals. Someone want to make love. Be feeling lost. Be some confusion and misunderstandings going on. And these people, person that lied on you, getting exposed for their stuff. Female feeling bitter. What messages do you have for the sign of Pisces? Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, North Node. What messages do you have for the sign of Pisces? Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, North Node. What messages do you have for the sign of Pisces? Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, North Node. So someone could be giving up, surrendering. Whoa. What was that? Male Pisces, and be significant. Someone hating on your come up. About to receive justice and love. And someone thought they were going to get away with everything. Yeah, you can see it, bitch. You can never. Thought they were getting away with everything. Someone could be in self-sabotage energy. But you about to heal something with someone. Female Gemini may be significant. And someone traveled to New Orleans to see a voodoo priest to do work on you. Could be connecting to your roots. What messages do you have for the sign of Pisces? Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, North Node. What messages do you have for the sign of Pisces? Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, North Node. What messages do you have for the sign of Pisces? Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, North Node. So someone's karma is to not get over you. Okay. And someone had unrealistic expectations. A hating ass uncle caught blocking. You're unique. And these people person need to learn discipline. Thought they were going to get a big payout. Yeah, so someone could be about to go to the police. And someone's feelings change quickly. They don't love her. They want to be with you. Be running away from the problems. And someone want to dive in them sweet waters. What messages do you have for the sign of Pisces? Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, North Node. What messages do you have for the sign of Pisces? Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, North Node. What messages do you have for the sign of Pisces? Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, North Node. Someone body calling. Oh, your body calling someone. Okay. And so someone's magic or spell not gonna work. You're about to meet the other side of you. You're dealing with a Queen of Cups, or this can be you. A karmic female started flirting with your ops. You have the knowledge of that. Because you in your own lane. You're not worried about these people. There was an ex and a family member working together. Been doing conflict magic. And someone want to eat the booty like groceries. I transition to the spirit realm. Or raise your vibration. So you could have been superstars with someone. Could be in a chaotic and confusing love life. Could have ghosted the karmic. Could be a male that's mad. You don't want to get back together. Male look like a shit show. What messages do you have for the sign of Pisces? Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, North Node. What messages do you have for the sign of Pisces? Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, North Node. What messages do you have for the sign of Pisces? Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, North Node. Okay, so there's a karmic female feeling froggy. Divine Feminine. And someone's saying they changing their player ways. Been sending illusions on the moon cycle. And you about to come into union partnership. Saying goodbye. Saying goodbye to someone. And someone could be getting sick and ill due to some magic backfiring. Okay. Someone could be getting pregnant in September. Or someone could have got pregnant in September. And someone finding out the karmic lied to them about everything. Divine Masculine. You can be the Divine Masculine. Find out the karmic lied to you about everything. A friend slept with your man behind your back. And someone think you have 9 lives. Dealing with a Virgo. Evening time may be significant. The karmic stalking both of y'all. In the evening time, probably. What messages do you have for the sign of Pisces? Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, North Node. What messages do you have for the sign of Pisces? Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, North Node. What messages do you have for the sign of Pisces? Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, North Node. The universe throwing hands on these people or persons. Someone could be doing weight gain spells, feeling unloved and neglected, being overlooked. And she taking control. Could have got a new car. And someone could have didn't know it was a male dressed as a female. And someone had wishful thinking that the illusions was going to work. Made a lot of bad choices. The karmic couple. This female looked like a shit show. Someone be sexually harassed at work. And she can't turn a hoe into a housewife. Male Virgo Libra cups may be significant. An older male can be coming towards you with a love offer. And someone about to experience misfortune. What messages do you have for the sign of Pisces, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, North Node? What messages do you have for the sign of Pisces, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, North Node? What messages do you have for the sign of Pisces, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, North Node? A passed over father trying to get your attention. And this person can't stop missing you. The universe is not about to let you keep suffering. Someone about to gain more clarity after watching your rising sign video. This male got a dose of their own medicine. What messages do you have for the sign of Pisces, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, North Node? What messages do you have for the sign of Pisces, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, North Node? What messages do you have for the sign of Pisces, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, North Node? Female Cancer may be significant. And someone wants your forgiveness. Okay? You'll be receiving a special surprise around the New Year's or this year. And this female needs to tell the truth about the lies they told. Someone didn't tell you he was married. You're moving on from past relationship. And this female waiting to cause delays. And someone curious. A goofy hoe. Be having emotional breakdown. Wanted you to be homeless, put out, is being returned. Okay. What messages do you have for the sign of Pisces? Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, North Node. What messages do you have for the sign of Pisces? Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, North Node. What messages do you have for the sign of Pisces? Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, North Node. These people are scared of you. Or a person. A lot of romance coming towards you, or someone's romantically attracted to you. Someone get their right leg checked out. Now, this person is possessive over you. Karmic female, they want to come back to give you an STD. Be careful. So someone could have confessed something while drunk, or someone going to make a drunk confession. These people, person couldn't find info on you, so they made up lies. So there's a karmic about to get their head beat. A fake account, not really your empress. I'm going to be doing love spells. Okay. So a fake account is not really your empress. So someone can have a fake account with your empress pictures. Not really her. Karma about to get their head beat. These people, person couldn't find info on you, so they made up lies. So someone could have made a drunk confession, or going to confess something while drunk. A karmic female want to come back to give you an STD. This person is possessive over you. Someone get their right leg checked out. But someone's romantically attracted to you. And someone wanted you to be homeless, put out. That's being returned. Be having an emotional breakdown. A goofy hoe that's curious about you. A female waiting to cause delays. And you moving on from past relationship. Someone didn't tell you were married. Or this could be a female. But this female needs to tell the truth about the lies they told. Could be receiving a special surprise. And someone wants your forgiveness. This male got a dose of their own medicine. About to gain more clarity after watching your rising sign video. The universe is not about to let you keep suffering. This person can't stop missing you. So an older male could be coming towards you with a love offer. Male Virgo Libra cups may be significant. Can't turn a hoe into a housewife. It's going to be sexually harassed at work. There's a female look like a shit show. Karmic couple can be significant. And someone made a lot of bad choices. Had wishful thinking that the illusion was going to work. Someone could have got set up with a transgender or by a transgender. Someone could have got a new car. But you're taking control, and someone feeling unloved and neglected, being overlooked, and doing weight gain spells. Karmic stalking both of y'all. In the evening may be significant. You're dealing with a Virgo. Can be significant. And someone think you have 9 lives. A friend slept with your man behind your back. Divine masculine. Finding out the karmic lied to them about everything. Could have got someone pregnant in September. Or someone could have got pregnant in September. But someone getting sick and ill due to some magic backfiring. You saying goodbye and about to come into union partnership. And someone was sending illusions. Saying they changing their player ways. This male that's mad because you don't want to get back together. Could have ghosted a karmic. Being a chaotic and confusing love life. Could have been superstars. But raise your vibration. Someone could have transitioned to the spirit realm. And someone want to eat the booty like groceries. You're doing conflict magic. An ex and a family member that was working together. But you're in your own lane. You're not worried about these people. They have a lot of knowledge. Karmic female started flirting with your ops. You be dealing with a Queen of Cups. Or you can be the Queen of Cups. Someone about to meet the other side of you. And some magic or spells not going to work. And someone running away from their problems. They don't love her. They want to be with you. So someone's feelings change quickly. So these people, person about to go to the police, thought they was getting a big payout. Need to learn discipline. Because you're unique. Got a hating ass uncle cock blocking. And someone had unrealistic expectations. Could have traveled to New Orleans to get some work done on you. Female Gemini may be significant. You about to heal something with someone. And someone can be in self-sabotage energy. You be telling someone you can never. And they thought they would gonna get away with everything. You got to receive justice and love. And someone hating on your come up. Male Pisces may be significant. These people, a person that lied on you, getting exposed for their stuff. There could be some confusion and misunderstandings going on. And someone feel lost. They want to make love. And someone been doing ritual. This female is losing everything for playing with you. Because the universe about to give you something. And a passed over loved one about to whoop some ass. Male Virgo may be significant. And someone see you making progress. It was loyal to the wrong people. The illusions ended. And there's a male that's mad for no reason. Because your desires are within reach. And they want you to accept less. But Ra said, who wants to smoke? It's someone using kids to keep you stuck. So don't drink it. This person put something in the food. Could be gifted a house. If these people, a person did all of this to keep two people apart and still lost. Female Gemini Cancer cups may be significant. But you've been dedicated to your skills, mastering yourself. You're dealing with a King of Pentacles. They can have their own business. And he or she big mad. But be cautious. Don't trust him or her. Your ancestors don't fuck with this karmic. Someone want to sex you. You thought you was an easy target. You're dealing with a Sagittarius Capricorn cups. I set you up. Set up to take your money. You want to know your new number. If someone could want to confess something. You need to tell the truth. You can be in isolation. If someone don't want to play no games with you. A stepmom may be significant. Okay, we have stepmom, Sagittarius, Capricorn cups, female Gemini Cancer cups, male Virgo, male Pisces, female Gemini, uncle, a friend, Virgo, karmic couple, Virgo Libra cups, ex, right. What signs are significant for these messages? What signs are significant for these messages? What signs are significant for these messages? Okay, so I have a light blue vehicle. Drive a spark or a bolt. Okay, at the bottom, birthday January 1st to the 10th. Here we have a male fire sign moon, male fire sign rising, May 30th to the 31st, 34 to 41. Yukon or Escalade, unfinished business with a female Aries Taurus cups, medium length hair. I'm going to drive a Gettn. Male Aries, female 13 and 16. Female Sagittarius Capricorn cups. Female Gemini Cancer cups. Male with curly hair. Unfinished business with a male Gemini. Unfinished business with a female Gemini Cancer cups. New love, male Leo. New love, Aries. What signs are significant for these messages? What signs are significant for these messages? What signs are significant for these messages? I'm going to drive an Aston Martin, a Prius. Okay, at the bottom, new love, female Leo Virgo cups. Female Leo, light green vehicle, medium mustache, new love, male Libra Scorpio cups. Female 60 to 65, female Leo Venus, female Aquarius, air sign moon. What signs are significant for these messages? What signs are significant for these messages? What signs are significant for these messages? A month-old baby boy, 54 to 59. Okay, at the bottom, someone drive an Escape or a Magnum. Unfinished business with a male Taurus. So I'm going to drive a Hyundai Cross Tour, a Ford, male Libra, Earth sign Moon, Scorpio, female 9 to 12, 24 to 29, right side of the eyebrow pierce, August 22nd to the 31st, male 35 to 44, new love Capricorn Aquarius cups, and a male water sign rising. Right. We have a Sagittarius, Capricorn cups, Virgo, Scorpio, May 30th to the 31st, August 22nd to the 31st. Those are females. Gemini, Gemini Cancer cups. Aquarius. Leo. Gemini Cancer cups. Sagittarius Capricorn cups. At the bottom, we got January 1st through the 10th. We have a Leo Venus. Earth sign Moon, Air sign Moon. 13 to 16, 60 to 65, 9 to 12, 24 to 29, 34 to 41. Be a friend. Stepmom, karmic couple, ex, right side of the eyebrow pierce, medium length hair, okay. Males, Sagittarius, Capricorn cups, Virgo, Scorpio, Virgo, Pisces, Virgo, Libra cups, Libra, Aries, fire sign rising, fire sign moon, water sign rising, air sign moon, earth sign moon, January 1st to the 10th, May 30th to the 31st, August 22nd to the 31st, 35 to 44, 34 to 41, 24 to 29, month-old baby boy, medium length hair, right side of the eyebrow pierce, curly hair, medium mustache, be an ex, karmic couple, uncle, someone can drive a Ford, Hyundai Cross Tour, light green vehicle, Aston Martin, the Gettn, Yukon or Escalade, light blue vehicle. At the bottom, we got an Escape or a Magnum. Any of those can be light blue or light green. Or you can just have a light blue or a light green vehicle. Then we have New Love, Capricorn, Aquarius cups. Unfinished business with a male Taurus. New Love, male Libra, Scorpio cups. Male Aries, male Leo. Unfinished business with a female Gemini, Cancer cups. Unfinished business with a male Gemini. And unfinished business with a female Aries, Taurus cups. At the bottom we have New Love, female Leo, Virgo cups. Alright. So before we go, pull some messages from your higher self. Messages from your higher self, sign of Pisces. What messages do you have for the sign of Pisces? Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, North Node. What messages do you have for the sign of Pisces? Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, North Node. What messages do you have for the sign of Pisces? Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, North Node. Cross the bridge of happiness. It leads over the depths of your emotions. The bottom. Alright, so we have re-energize in the natural world. Let your inner hunter or huntress take rest. Live in this world as a dreamer. Create a future paradise. Follow your vision. Never lose sight of what is really important. Rise above the dark days of life. Do not fight them, but have faith that the light will always return. At the bottom, we have success and happiness are coming. Enjoy and celebrate life. And behind it, we have the time is right. Seize the day and make progress on your soul path. Your success and happiness are coming. Enjoy and celebrate life. And rise above the dark days of life. Do not fight them, but have the faith that the light will always return. So follow your vision. Never lose sight of what is really important. And live in this world as a dreamer. Create a future paradise. And re-energize in the natural world. Let your inner hunter or huntress take rest. Alright, Pisces. So that was the messages I have for you today. I hope some of it resonated. If not, be sure to check your rising, moon, Venus, north node signs for more clarity on your situation. And I'll see you soon. Bye.